everybody, I'm Wygo Warrior, aka Julie. Welcome to my channel. Yay! It is Allure time, and this month is very exciting because I actually remember the brand and product that was our selection this month, and it is a good one. Now, if anyone's new, welcome. I will be unboxing the November 2025 Allure Beauty Box, which for me is only $23 a month because I pay quarterly and you get a discount. And when I started subscribing, it was $25 a month. I think the price may have gone up, but if it has, it's still worth it in my opinion. So you're gonna get at least 6 products in the box, and 3 are guaranteed to be full size. And sometimes we get more than 3 full size products. So it does come with a booklet. This will have the products, descriptions, and prices. But enough rambling. Let's dive in and figure out why this box weighs so much. Okay, first product. What are you? This is Biotin and Collagen hair mask. I have short hair. I get it cut very frequently. So I am not into the hair mask. But if you are, you're going to get this. Let's take a look at the booklet. I have a feeling that may be full size. But let me take a look in the booklet before I make a fool of myself. Okay, so, okay. This is not full size. Full size is $36 for 500 ml. And this is a 100 ml travel size. Could have fooled me because this has some heft to it. All right, what else do we get in this box? Something in a green box. This is from, bougie, Cat BURKI. And this is the Vitamin C Intensive Face Cream. So for a face cream, this should be travel size. But if it's full size, egg on my face. Okay, apparently I have egg on my face because this is full size, 30 ml. And are you ready for this? She retails for $80. You heard me right. Has a subtle scent of ingredients, possibly maybe a little bit of citrus. Oh, it is a vitamin C serum, so maybe that's what I'm picking up on. But let me put the cap back on because we don't want an $80 face cream to go bad. Holy moly. So this one product not only paid for this box, it paid for my December box, my January box, and half of my February box. So if you're interested in subscribing, I do have a friend referral link down below. All right, next product. This hopefully isn't one of the products and instead is like one of those sponsored thing that just ends up in your box. Oh, okay, so this is from Liquid IV, and it's the Hydration Multiplier, and we get 3 sample sticks. White peach, lemon lime, and green grape. I'm old school. I drink literally just ice water. No soda, no carbonated drinks, no fruit juice, just water, which is why I'm like, wah, wah. But it is sugar-free and does have electrolytes, so if you're dehydrated, that might be a good thing. Let me look in the booklet here and see. No. Not. Okay. Yay. It's on the back, and that usually indicates it's just like sponsored. So we're going to pretend that wasn't in there. All right. Next item. Ooh, I don't know what it is, but it's shaped like it could be a makeup product. Okay. So this is from Half Magic. And it's either going to be, well, you got 2 guesses at this point. Lip or eye. Watch it be something else. Okay, what are you? Oh, it looks to be a cream eyeshadow stick. Was not expecting that. When I said eye, I was thinking like eyeliner. Oh, okay, so you could have received Champagne Snowflake, Twirlita, Punk Pony, Faux Cloud Kid, Princess Teddy, Frost Winkle, or Noir, or Never. I don't know if Noir or Never is one shade or if they had a noir and a never and just too many ors. But let's see what shade I got. You know me, I'm all about the pinky shimmer or champagne shimmer. I got a more bronzy shade. I got Princess Teddy, and this retails for $25. That's about on par for cream eyeshadow sticks. All right, what else came in the box? This is from LUSETA, and it's an Almond shower oil. Am I saying that right? Almond. Oh, almond. Oh my God. Oh, that must be the French. I'm like, how did I misread almond that poorly? I didn't. It says Almond, which apparently means almond in French. So this is the almond shower gel. Full size retails for $29 for 250 ml, and we received a 75 ml travel size. Okay, not mad at a shower gel. What else? Ooh, wait. I almost stuck my foot in my mouth again. I was like, ooh, perfume sample. I don't believe so. It just, you know, looks like a perfume sample. Yes, okay. I was like, is it a perfume sample? This is the world's tiniest mascara sample. This is the big by definition. Okay, well, I only wear waterproof. So guess who's getting a nice little stocking stuffer. All right, next item is, or looks to be, a perfume sample. This is from Noteworthy. Never heard of the brand, although it shows little pictures of the notes, which I appreciate. I'm a visual person. I see an orange. I see basil. I thought it was mint. It says basil and mystery. Oh, sandalwood. I didn't know that's what sandalwood looked like. All right, let's see if this is something I would be interested in. Okay. Very strong orange scent at first. I'm just going to let that sit there, but I love citrus scents. You can't go wrong, in my opinion, with orange. Who doesn't love orange juice? All right, I saved the best for last. This next product was my choice, and it's from a brand I really love. So this here is from Charlotte Tilbury, and it's the Pillow Talk Beauty Light Wand. Now, when I made my selection, I was like thinking Beauty Light Wand. That's a blush, correct? But then I'm wondering, is this a highlighter? I didn't put blush on because I wanted to test this out. By the way, this retails for $42. So yeah, now we just already paid for March and 3/4 of April's box. Yeah, it is glowy, but we're just gonna squeeze some up. Oh yeah. Let's do a little swatch first. Okay, that is definitely more highlighter. Well, it's like if a blush and a highlighter had a baby. This is what the baby would look like, you know? So, it's beautiful. And I already owned the other two shades, so that's why I went with this one. It's very light with a soft pink, but she's beautiful. All right, let's recap everything I received in the November 2025 Allure Beauty Box. We got a sample of the SEPHORA Big by Definition Mascara, a sample of the Noteworthy N307 Sunlit Grove Perfume, a travel size of the LUSETA Almond Shower Gel, a travel size of the LUSETA Biotin and Collagen Hair Mask, 3 sample sticks of Liquid IV, a Half Magic Sparklestik Eye Crayon, the Cat BURKI Vitamin C Intensive Face Cream, and a Charlotte Tilbury Beauty Light Wand. What are your thoughts? My thoughts are, holy cow. Am I a big fan of hair masks? No. Do I care? No. Do I use items in my water? No. Do I wear a regular mascara? Don't care. This product and this product alone made me love this box. And these two together, what is 80 plus 40? This is $122 of product right here for a $25 $29 box. Toss in the eyeshadow stick at $25. You're at over $147. Plus, this month, did you catch? We got 3 makeup products for an Allure box. That is amazing. But now I want to hear from you. Do you get this box? If not, are you now inspired to get the box? I'm telling you, the Allure box, in my opinion, is one of the best beauty subscription boxes on the market. You get really nice brands, BURKI, Charlotte Tilbury, L'Occitane. You get a good mix of skincare and makeup lately. Also, if you like hair care, we do get hair care products. And the last few boxes, we've been getting perfume samples, which is very interesting. But leave me a comment and let me know what you think of this box. All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. Remember to click that bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. And if you could do me a big favor, clicking on the thumbs up, it really does help with my channel to grow, as does clicking on the hype button if you happen to be watching on your phone. All right, thanks everyone.